Adinda Eka Agustin from Mathematics Education Department, Universitas PGRI Madiun. Welcome to today's presentation on solid geometry, where we embark on a journey to explore the fascinating properties of two fundamental shapes, the cube and the sphere. In this session, we will delve into their unique characteristic, surface area, and the volume of cube and sphere. Solid geometry have very significant use in everyday life. Here are some examples of the use of solid geometry that can be found around us. Particle shape are used in calculating the volume and surface area of objects that have geometric shape. Solid shape, also known as solid, consists of three dimensions: length, breadth, and height. They are also known as 3D or three-dimensional shape. The main difference between flat shape and solid shape is that the flat shape or plane shape only have two dimensions and solid shape have three dimensions. This solid shape occupy some space are found in our day-to-day life. We can feel, touch, and use them. Definition of solid geometry is the study of three-dimensional objects, their volume, surface area, and properties. Elements of solid shape as a result of these three dimensions. This object has face, edge, and vertices. First, it is face. A face is a single flat surface of a solid shape, and there can be more than one face of a shape. Second, it is vertex. A vertex is a point where two or more lines meet, forming a corner. It is also the point of intersection of each. Third, it is edge. An edge is a line segment at the boundary of a solid shape that join one vertex to another. The edge serves as the junction of two faces. Let's explore solid shape and relate solid figure formulas. In this time, we will discuss about a cube and sphere. What is a cube? A cube is a solid shape with six square faces. Each square face has the same side length and thus all the faces have the same size. A cube has 12 edges and each vertex. Each vertex refers to a corner where three edges of cube meet. The properties of a cube shape. First, it is a three-dimensional square-shaped figure. Second, it has six faces, 12 edges, and each vertex. Third, all faces are in the shape of a square. Fourth, all sides have the same length. Fifth, each vertex meets three faces and three edges. Sixth, the edges run parallel to those parallel to it. 7. All angles of a cube are right angles. Surface area of a cube. The total surface area of a cube is defined as the area of its outer surface. Since the cube has six square faces and each of the square face is of the same size, the total surface area of a cube is 6 times area of one face. Let's say the length of its edge is a. Area of one square face is h times h is a times a is a square. Therefore, the total surface area of the cube is 6a square. The total surface area of the cube will be equal to the sum of all six faces of the cube. The volume of a cube. The volume of a three-dimensional object can be defined as its capacity or the amount of liquid It could hold if it hollow from the inside. The volume is calculated by multiplying the object length, breadth, and height. In the case of a cube shape, the length, width, and height are all of the same length. Let us refer to it as A. Therefore, the volume of a cube is I times A is a cube. What is a sphere? As discussed in the introduction, the sphere is a geometrical figure that is a round in shape. The sphere is defined in a three-dimensional space. The sphere is three-dimensional solid that has surface area and volume. Just like a circle, each point of the sphere is at an equal distance from the center. First is radius. Radius is the distance between surface and center of the sphere. Second is diameter. Diameter is the distance from one point to another point on the surface of the sphere, passing through the center. The center. Third is surface area. Surface area is the region occupied by the surface of the sphere. Fourth is volume. Volume is the amount of the space occupied by an spherical object. Shape of sphere. The shape of a sphere is round and it does not have any face. The sphere is a geometrical three-dimensional solid having a curved surface. Like other solids such as cube, cuboid, cone, and cylinder. A sphere does not have any flat surface or a vertex or an edge. The real-life example of the sphere is basketballs, word cube, marbles, planet, and moon. Surface area of a sphere. The surface area of a sphere is the total area covered by the surface of a sphere in a three-dimensional space. The formula of surface is given by the surface area of a sphere is 4πr squared, where r is the radius of the sphere. Volume of a sphere. The amount of space occupied by the object, three-dimensional object called a sphere is known as the volume of the sphere. According to the Archimedes principle, the volume of a sphere is given as the volume of sphere is 4/3 πr cubed. In wrapping up our discussion on three-dimensional geometry, it is clear that these shapes play a crucial role in understanding space and solving real-world problems. We explored two fundamental shapes, the cube and the sphere, each with unique properties and formulas for volume and surface area. By mastering this concept, we gain valuable insight into spatial relationship and problem-solving skills. Thank you for your attention and may your exploration of geometry continue to inspire creativity and innovation. See you next time!